At Carlson, Made in America is more than just a phrase. It's what we do every day. From a single part up to thousands of high production pieces, our full capacity gun drilling department can handle a wide range of hole sizes, drilling depths, and part dimensions. If you're looking for a bigger hole size or depth, our deep hole drilling division can offer high precision drilling on a much larger scale. We can also remove excess stock or enlarge and straighten an existing hole for when the bore runout needs to be closely controlled. Our custom designed and built tooling allows us to achieve improved straightness on parts of all sizes. We have been able to achieve as low as 0.005-inch straightness on parts up to 10 feet long. Our experienced quality department uses laser inspection to verify hole straightness, ensuring that we provide our customers with results that meet or exceed their expectations. As a one-stop shop, working with Carlson allows you to expand your capabilities and say yes to more orders.